Hey guys, took a long break? Oh, then let's resume our journey. Welcome back to our channel, A Word a Day. Our next spot is at the word exquisite. Exquisite. Such a beautiful picture, and you would have guessed the meaning. It is extremely beautiful or intensely felt. The examples are Shimla is really an exquisite place. The authentic food of South India is exquisite. Hope you're enjoying the verbal journey. If yes, then please like, share, and subscribe. Let's carry on our journey tomorrow. Till then, let's get back to our festive preparations. Thank you so much. Bye bye.